Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add a 20 EMA on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MT5 mobile app and make sure you are in chart. Then after that, click on this icon right here. Then click on the F plus and choose moving average. Now go to period and change it to 20. And in method, make sure you are in exponential. Most likely you will find it in simple. So choose exponential. And here you can change the color if you want. So let's say this one. And here you can change the width of the line. So let's say this one. And click on save. Now let's go back. And as you can see, this is our 20 MA. This one, this color we choose if you remember. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.